Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Quordle Puzzle Review. So, Quordle Puzzle is an online store specializing in wooden jigsaw puzzles. Notably one with individually shaped pieces, includes animals, plants, or nature theme shapes that rather than standard interlocking rectangles. Now, puzzles are made from formaldehyde-free basewood, laser cut for precision, and coated with in this case, a protective eco-friendly dye layer intended to keep the piece surfaces preserved over time. Now, puzzle size range from around 90 pieces up to roughly 210 to 299 pieces, depending on the listing, centering to different skill levels. Now, in this case, the puzzle ship in a design box with a locking mechanism, sized to double as a gift box. A mystery box option is also available where a puzzle pattern is randomly selected from the store's catalog based on the size chosen rather than the buyers picking a specific image. Now, in this case, for use as a puzzle here, well, in this case, you just need to open the box, sort pieces by edge or shape or color pattern groups or with any jigsaw puzzles, and assemble according to the reference image on the box or lid. Now, once complete, some puzzles are designed to be usable as a wall decor or display pieces afterwards, so given the wood's construction and finish. Now, as for the pricing itself, the individual puzzles have been seen listed starting around like $9.94 depending on the size and design, with orders capped at $69 per order according to the site. Now, some purchase options offer installment style payment plans spread over to up to 12 months. But that's about it. If you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.